In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to invoices in Xero. To get started, log into your Xero account and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Once you are signed in, head to the top menu and select Sales from the drop-down options. From there, click on Invoices. This will take you to the area where you can view and manage your existing invoices. Next, find the specific invoice you want to update and click on it to open the full invoice page. It's a good idea to double-check that you've opened the correct invoice before making any changes. Especially if you are working with several similar records, this helps ensure your note is added to the right transaction and keeps your account information organized. Once you are inside the invoice, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page there. You will see a section called History and Notes. This section is useful because it allows you to keep a record of important updates, internal comments, or reminders related to that invoice. Adding notes here can help you and your team stay aligned, especially when tracking communication or payment follow-up details. When you find the History and Notes section, click Add Note. A text field will appear where you can type your message. Enter your comment, update, or payment expectation clearly and briefly, so it's easy to understand later. For example, you might add a note about a promised payment date, a recent customer update, or a clarification related to the invoice. Keeping notes specific and professional can make future follow-up much easier. After typing your note, click Save to store it on the invoice. Once saved, the note will appear in the History and Notes area, creating a visible record tied directly to that invoice. This is especially helpful for maintaining accurate documentation and reducing confusion when reviewing invoice activity later on. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.